Well, this is the last piece in the Colclough Harlequin Ballet series, the apricot-y pink 1940s or 50s sugar basin, open sugar bowl really, isn't it? D-shaped with the wasted waist, where you just see it coming in here. See the shape there rather than a straight curve. You've got that little nip in. Lower 1/3 white porcelain with the double band of gilt decoration. Colclough Longton period, late 1940s through to 1955, China mark on the base, and it's in very fine condition. A little bit of indent scalloping around the rim, another line of gilt with just a little bit of wear, so this isn't in mint condition. It has been used and loved during its, well, potentially 80 years of life. Nice clean glaze on the inside, no staining, no cracks, no chips, no sort of damage or condition notes that we need to bring your attention to. We've got the milk jug in the colour combination, same dates and everything, and we've got a few trios in this Harlequin Ballet set. Beauty of Colclough Harlequin Ballet is it was designed to be mixed and matched with all different colour combinations working really well together. So if you want to put a collection together, it's a very nice thing to collect. This is on sale on the Vintage and Antiques website. If you follow the link description through to the website below, it'll take you there and show you all the dimensions and measurements, everything you'd need to know. Thanks for watching.